Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So, new wig alert. I'm going to show you how I install and style this wig. This hair is from Nadula hair and they sent over just the bundles, 4 bundles of 26 body wave. I don't know if they've stocked up on their frontals. You know, frontals and closures are kind of like a rare commodity right now, so a lot of the hair companies are kind of not in stock. I had a deep wave frontal. I kind of had to like blend the two textures together because they are two different co-patterns. So I'm going to show you how I install the hair this time, how I cut my frontal. If you want a lot more in-depth video, I will link that as well, but I do show you how I do it in this video as well. Same kind of concepts. This is probably more like an initial review because like I am only just putting it on for the first time, so I don't know how the hair will fare, but I have used Nadula in the past and I have worked with them before, so I know that their hair is pretty good. So I definitely was going to try a different curl pattern, and honestly so far so good. The hair isn't tangling as I've used it. The hair was made for me and it was a body wave. It came literally in this same state and I haven't felt any tangling at all, so the hair is doing well. I wanted something that's on the go, really easy, that I won't have to like style too much in the morning besides just adding like hair products. So I'll show you what I use to style it, and yeah, so that's it. So the wig was made for me. It looks like this. So I got 26 inches of the body wave bundles and I had my own frontal. I just realized the frontal is a different texture to the bundles. This is more of like a deep wave. So I'm going to try and see if I can actually like blend, but we'll see. So I'm going to spray the lace with my Wig Guru's lace tint. I've literally run out. Okay, the next step is to use the black Got To Be to lay it down even more. I'm gonna go and do my makeup and put some life into this face and then come back and do the rest of the styling. Okay. So I'm gonna try and blend this to the bottom. You can see how it's like a really nice loose wave. Honestly don't know how I thought it was gonna be the same, but they're not the same. So I got this, God, I've had this for ages. This is the Dr. Miracle's Curling Care, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the hair. Very low maintenance as well. I didn't want to have to like curl my hair in the morning, so I went for this style. I'm not sure if their frontals are back in stock now. They might have some closures, but definitely get the same texture and the same curl pattern, so it blends a little bit better and you won't have to do all of this basically. So I'll put the link in the description box. If they have any discount codes as well, I'll put that as well, and all the hair specs. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.